Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this easy, really nice looking lightweight hair. So I'm using my sister today as my model. You say hello to my sister. So she has really short hair. She's keeping this style of cut. So she recently cut her hair actually, so her hair is really short. I'm using this Lush hair. It's really light, really soft, really nice hair. So I'm using color 613 and I'm going to go ahead and use it to braid her hair. I'm going to be doing a pick and drop. If you know what I'm trying to say, pick and drop, you start braiding the hair and you tie it and leave it. That's pick and drop. If you don't know it, then you're welcome. Alright, so I'm going to braid some pick and drop and then some I'm going to braid to the tips, alright, to give it that kind of goddess braids kind of look. So I'm using this toothpick as my guide to parting her hair, because using comb is not really helpful because her hair is really short. It will leave some hair in the tracks and I don't really want that. I want a neat part for her, so I'm using the toothpick to kind of guide me. Alright, so go ahead and keep braiding and then this other part that is really short, I'm going to give you guys a trick. For the part of the hair that is really short, you can wrap the braiding hair around it once. Don't go wrapping like multiple times, just wrap it once, and then when you wrap it, you use one part of the hair, hold on to a natural hair, the one you were using to hold on to a natural hair before wrapping, actually you hold on to that and then you divide the other one, yes, into three, and then you continue braiding. When you braid past her natural hair, the natural hair, you can now divide it equally. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So this will actually make the hair to stay longer, it will not pull out, and it will be easy on your tiny fingers. It will help, you know, ease the pain on her scalp and your fingertips. Okay, so once I'm done braiding the entire hair, I'm going to take 3 strands on each side and then twist it together. Then this twist is not soft or light twist. You have to have your client or yourself hold on to the roots of the hair so it doesn't hurt, and then twist the hair really tight, like really tight, so when you dip it in hot water it won't unravel, and then the coils will also be tight and intact. So I know I have been away for quite a while. Thanks to this whole long holiday we have from coronavirus, not so happy about it. It's really bad that the whole world is on standstill because of this thing. But thanks to the holiday, I have been able to get back to videoing and recording and all of that, and I hope I'll keep coming to you guys with new videos every week. Okay, once you're done twisting it to the end, you dip it in hot water and then you start unraveling it. When you dip it in water, make sure it's totally dry. Yes, make sure it is dry before you start unraveling it. You can use gel while you unravel it. I didn't have a white gel with me. I couldn't use the black gel I had at home, so I just left it. When she went back to where she stays, she used gel on herself. So you can use gel while you're unraveling. Just rub gel in your hands, and as you're unraveling it, you kind of rub gel around. Don't scatter the curls, don't pull it out. That's why I say you should let it dry first, so the curls will stick. Alright, so as you unravel it, you start seeing the style coming together. So I've kind of been cooking up something, and I will tell you guys in maybe subsequent videos. I've actually been blogging for a little while now, and I'm going to So I'm going to tell you guys about it very soon, and leave a link to the blog down below, okay, so you guys can check it out. Okay, so once you're done unraveling, just go ahead and put some decorations on it as much as you want, and then the hair is done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it helped you out, I hope you enjoyed the style and you can make it. Don't forget to send me pictures if you do. My Instagram is in my YouTube here, so just go ahead and enjoy. Bye.